The city of Joy, Kolkata is one of the most popular places to visit in India. The capital of the East Indian state of West Bengal is seen as the land of the intellectuals. The cultural legacy of the city is matchless and one of the best experiences in the country. The city is famously known as the land of Mother Teresa and Rabindranath Tagore, but in the heart of the 300-year-old city is the real feel of India. Kolkata Tours offers an insight into the historic and cultural legacy of India. Beyond its tourist attractions, it serves as the gateway to the East and the Northeast India. Kolkata developed from a fisherman's village to become one of the largest cities in the world. The city symbolizes creativity and vibrance with all the modern amenities available. Kolkata has adapted to the modern trends and techniques of the world but has not shed the leisurely lifestyle and the calm of its heydays. Places to visit in Kolkata include the Victoria Memorial, the Eden Gardens, the Howrah Bridge and the Raj Bhawan. It is also possible to take river cruises down the Hooghly River.